We just got back from the kids' gymnastics today. You are so cute. And our plan is, so the gymnastics place told us that they had these like really high quality, awesome gymnastics mats on the side of their building. And my friend actually asked them, what are you doing with those mats? Are you selling them? And they said that we could have them. So today Will is gonna go and pick those up with the truck, and we are really excited. We have been wanting to get Noah some gymnastics mats for a long time, and they're like minimum $200 online. So really excited about that. My goal today, although I try not to set too many goals or expectations of myself, is to clean up this mess. So I'm going to show you guys the mess that I have to clean up today. Just check this out. Now, this is just a bunch of baby toys that needs to go in baskets. So I try to tell myself that's actually not a big deal. I mean, I feel like our house is just disaster mode all the time. For example, this kitchen, I just cleaned yesterday. And, you know, if you have kids, you know how that goes. It's just, the house is just always a mess, and you just have to be okay with that. It's life. It's the way it goes. But wow, sometimes it stresses me out. Sometimes it gets to me. Aw, Jude. This guy doesn't make much of a mess yet. Yeah. I love this baby. Love this sweet little baby. Hi. Yeah. Do you want to play? So Jude had a little nap in the car, thankfully. Gymnastics is during their nap. But this is Jude's favorite thing to do. Go, buddy. He just runs into things. Jude, where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? His little legs. Go, buddy. And Jet was having a breakdown. Go, buddy. He moves so fast. Yeah. I'll show you guys Jet because he was just melting down in the car. And he's so cute. Having him sleep in here. My hard-working man is out here working on the trench. We'll see how he did. He's been working for a long time, digging this by hand, and I am so proud of him. So now, he might have already done this, but he has to bury the wire. How's it going? You already buried the wire? Look at our trees. What tree is this? We've got almond trees, we got fruit tree, apple trees, cherry tree. Our cherry tree's not looking too good though. We just planted that one a few weeks ago. The rest of them were last year. We should move these chickens on this grass.
Yeah, going left to right across the field would be very good for them.
They would love it, huh?
Yep. Or get some kind of winch so you just pull it up the hill, let
Yeah.
it back down.
Man, allergies are so bad. Wow. I come out here for like 2 seconds and I'm already sniffling.
Yeah.
All right.
See you around.
Love you. I'm so happy about our little trees. They're looking so good. Probably my main want for our whole land, the thing that I've been wanting to do for so long, has been fruit trees because they take so long to get established. But once you have them, you have fruit for years and years and years. To be able to walk out here and pick some apples or some pears or some cherries or whatever. Oh, it's just so awesome. And then right here, I don't know if you can tell, we've got 3 blueberry bushes and then we've got 3 blackberry bushes. My favorite thing is to eat berries, and they're really expensive at the store, so I feel like that will go a long way for us. So I'm gonna share with you one of my all-time favorite meals to make for the family. It is so easy and so good. So I just randomly came up with this recipe one day. I didn't know how it would turn out, and now it's one of our favorites. So I posted about this before on my Instagram channel. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram yet, head over there. It's just at Our Family Farmstead, and I post a lot about recipes and things like that in our day-to-day, but just wanted to share on YouTube too because it's really that good. So sometimes, occasionally, we have seasons where we don't do dairy. My daughter has a lot of allergies and sensitivities and things like that, so occasionally we will just cut out dairy, and for her sake. And then sometimes for mine as well, but you could substitute cream or milk or whatever, but I do coconut cream. So this is just 2 pounds of ground beef in the Instant Pot. And then what I do is I add 1 can of coconut cream and then just pick and choose whichever marinara you want to use. I tend to like this actual marinara, not just the pasta sauce. So either this one or that one. I'm trying to think. I'll just go with this one. So literally all you do is put this in, and then I add salt, and there's my Italian blend. This Italian seasoning and some garlic powder, and just make it taste really Italian, and it ends up so good. So what we do after it's done, I just press the meat option, and I do it on the pressure. Not slow cook. I guess you could do slow cook, but I usually do it on the pressure. And then we put it on top of pasta. I'll show you which pasta we use. But this is like the best. And it makes for awesome leftovers as well. This is pretty much the only pasta that I buy now. We used to buy the quinoa and brown rice. And for some reason, that always made everybody's stomachs hurt. I don't know why. We're sensitive to quinoa or something, but we really, really like this yellow lentil one. Here's the ingredients: just organic yellow lentil flour, organic brown rice flour, and water. So this is our favorite. So you just put that on top of here. I might even this time throw some frozen spinach in here just to kind of like hide it. Even though my kids really like spinach and stuff, it's just a real easy way to get extra nutrients in there. So yeah, ends up really good. I will show you when it's done. How's the food? How's the food?
Well, this is definitely good.
It's pretty good.
Oh, we have to do that tomorrow. I tried to get more, but
You gave it to me.
it's because I love you.
Now I give you this.
Oh, thanks.
Cheese. You're so cute.
It's very tasty. Great dinner, babe.
So it ended up pretty good. It's different than normal, isn't it?
This Trader Joe's pasta is my favorite
Me
gluten-free
too.
pasta.
Mm-hmm.
We put onion grass in it. We picked it out there.
Noah picked some onion grass. Shay, how you feeling? This poor guy
Okay.
has the worst allergies I've ever seen out of anyone ever in my life.
It is like yellow pollen on everything outside right now.
No, but Shay's eyes were almost swollen shut the other day, and he couldn't breathe when he was
No
sleeping.
kid in our family's had that yet, especially for a kid. That seems rare. Still, though, if it is that time of year, so.
He looks a little better today, but he's still got the red dots on the inside. Did you see that?
You got an ass. You got an ass.
Yeah, poor baby.
This time of year, I have to be careful not to touch my eyes when the yellow oak pollen's on everything, because if I do, they'll get red. So I just go for a week or two, don't touch my eyes, and then I'm cool. I'm good.
I think this is the worst it's been for me in many years.
Tomorrow we're gonna do swim lessons with our friends that we do gymnastics with.
Are you excited?
And today we're gonna go see the friends that we do gymnastics with.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Today we did gymnastics.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What did you do at gymnastics that was so great?
I did bridge and the kick over.
Noah did a bridge with a kick over, and they climbed the warp wall.
I did it by myself, which I usually can't do.
Yeah, first day doing the warped wall all by yourself. That's a huge accomplishment for you, big man.
And I even grabbed the red thing by myself, and I even pulled up by myself.
You pulled up by yourself?
Yes.
So you did the whole thing. You didn't just grab it. You also pulled up yourself?
I pulled up by myself.
What?
With the help of my feet.
Oh, okay, so your feet helped. Okay, well, you didn't do it by yourself.
Why? What's
kidding.
Mommy?
Babe, this is the first time in like a month that I've had beef.
Mmm. You have to catch me right when I'm like...
I did a sensitivity test and found out that beef is one of my high sensitivities, and I think it's because I have liver issues,
Cool.
and it's hard for a liver to process meat. So, all right, here we are. We're picking up the mats. Careful, Noah.
These mats are all ripped up and big.
That's why they're getting rid of them.
They're getting new ones, and these are perfect for us. Look out, guys.
Okay.
Is anybody back there?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, Che, are your eyes itching?
No, he just wants to go potty.
He already went. Don't touch your eyes, okay? Oh, sweetie. Don't touch.
Dead body.
Here, Caillou video.
Okay.
All right.
Just pinch and push. There we go. Nice.
Go, go, go. I went on the falling circus on this. Oh, let's make another falling circus.
You want to come ride with Mom in the car?
That one is on the sand.
You want to come ride with me? We'll give you a sip of my tea. Oh, my baby. My poor little honey. You having a hard time? Having a hard time breathing? Okay, so we are at the hospital. I decided to come to the hospital. It's it's about 11:30 because Che is not feeling well. And his eyes just keep getting worse and worse and swelling more and more. And now they're almost fully swollen shut, so we're just gonna get it all checked out. Make sure it's not some sort of bacteria or something. So just want to take care of our buddy. He's completely miserable. He's not the child to complain, so we're gonna get him checked out. About to go in. Okay, we're at the hospital. You okay, baby? Let me see. Oh, sweetheart. You're doing good. Hey, buddy, come here. Give Mama a hug. I'm so proud of you, and I am so excited for you to feel better.
Oh, buckle.
Oh, I forgot to buckle you. Mom's silly. Can you get your top buckle for me?
Sure.
Okay. So, Che, how are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah, he feels okay, but we have to go get him some eye drops, huh? That was a very expensive emergency trip. $200. How you feeling?
Good.
Did you do your drops?
Yeah.
So Che got some drops. He's just got major allergies, huh? But what did you get from the hospital?
Chicken.
Show me.
Star Wars stickers.
Which one is your favorite? Which one's your favorite? The bad guy?
Yoda, good guy. Han Solo, good guy. Darth Vader, bad guy. What's your favorite? Han Solo.
He's such a sweet guy, Dad. Did you do a good job at the hospital? He was brave. He was
Get
kind.
me down.
He's like, Mom, you forgot your job to get me down. Okay, let's go to bed.